Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to update your Windows Security, or I would say Windows Defender. And to make your computer more secure. And better, so here at the top bottom right corner where you have your icons. Just go and see if you have a shield icon there, Windows Security, and you just need to double click on that moment. You do that, you will find a Windows Security like this. You can maximize it, and then we need to go to this virus and threat protection, and here you can do a quick scan later on. However, we need to update and make sure all the latest protection updates are there. So here at the bottom you will see virus and threat protection update. Security intelligence is up to date, last update. So you can simply click on protection updates, and you can check for updates. And you will also see the version, so in this manner you are actually downloading all the important updates, and this will make sure your Microsoft Defender is more intelligent as it downloads the definitions. Alright, so if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.